Alright, the early afternoon continues. June 22nd, 2024. CN Hayes here. 1426 coming to you from Ladysmith yet again with another video lined up for you. Another northbound on the way, following well behind the M301 31 of the 19th, led by the 8879. Gevo to lead it this time. Let's check him out on the roll-by. As we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. As we have gate drop. Tier 4 to lead it. And the last of 8 MEI rebuilds of the 3132 that was previously built as GECX 2043, and the pair was on the 340. Pretty much 342, something like that. But I think those two were last on the M357. Several days back, but now there they were again, this time on the S763, 81 of the 22nd. And that's going to do it for the 3150, sporting the 100 anniversary logo and the rear DPU of the MEI rebuild of the CN 3132 that was previously GECX 2043. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.